India, one of the largest growing economies, is advancing rapidly with its clean energy transformation to meet the aspirations of 1 billion people. Sungrow, the global leading inverter solution supplier for renewables, took a decisive step in 2018 by establishing its manufacturing unit in India, thereby reinforcing its long-term commitment to the Indian solar market. The state-of-the-art factory, located near Bengaluru, is having an annual production capacity of 3 gigawatts, with the latest infrastructure and testing facilities. The Sungrow Indian factory has a complete local team who perform their job meticulously and spend their time as a close family.
I am assembling string and central inverters with utmost ease, and my main responsibility is to provide the right quality product to the customers.
Over the last 2 years, Sungrow has created a benchmark in India with this world-class facility to meet the ever-growing market demand in and outside India. Sungrow's India factory is a shining example of creating value under Make in India initiative, while forging ahead with its mission: clean power for all.